Welcome, Akko, beach, sea, ruins on the walls. Just 5 minutes from going into the market, buying some stuff for our cook-along, fish, cheeses, dried fruits. It's Tu B'Shvat in Israel, so happy Tu B'Shvat. See you soon.
Half pomegranate, half orange. No other way to start the day. Welcome guys again. Just a couple of stairs down from the walls of Akko and a very small narrow street into the dark and out in the light on the other side. Come on, let's see. Bye.
Nice and quiet gem in the middle of the market. Look how beautiful the walls are decorated.
Welcome guys. We're in the Akko market buying our fruits, fish, cheeses for our cook-along in about 2 weeks time. On the 9th of February, we will celebrate together Tu B'Shvat, our holiday in Israel for the plants, for the fruits, for the dried fruits. We will fill some figs with cheeses. We'll make some great fish. This is the place to buy in Israel. I'm sure all of you can find the list of ingredients online. Join us to cook together. We are here, you're there. Such a small world. Join us.